Hello everyone, welcome to another adventure of Crux in the Mountain. My name is Koos and I'm the Scrambling Dutchman. Well, lucky enough, we found a weather window. I've been here for about a week. We've had a couple nice days, but most of it's been rain. So today, yes, we're at Tryfan, and we're about to tackle one that's been high on my list for a long time, Bastow Buttress. It's a grade 2 plus. So we're going for an approach on Heather Terrace to the starting point of the route. I'll catch up with you over there. Right, we're at the bottom of Bastow Gully. So you come up Heather Terrace. Look, Leon's joined us as well. Come up Heather Terrace and then you go up here, Bastow Gully. And then start is right up there. So don't go up too far. Bastow Gully itself is a great one. So it is possible, but looking at the moss, wetness, slime, wouldn't recommend it. But yeah, let's get up there and do this. Oh, here goes. Oh my days. It's an interesting start already. Oh, whew. Tasty start.
Yeah, very spicy that bit. Gets your attention, doesn't it?
Definitely gets your attention. So, tasty start.
Yeah.
And now we're going up this ramp over here. Right.
I can't remember where to go from here. I think it's at that there. Yeah, I think.
Yeah, I see some polish in here, mate.
Yeah.
Yeah, everybody's veered off over there. Whew. All right.
Yeah, blowing, mate.
Cool. Whew, that's a nice move. Laying back on the edge. Let's not do anything silly. Ooh. Ooh. So far, not a great sense of exposure, I would say, but some lovely scrambling. Some nice moves on it, especially the first, the crux and the first ramp. Some really lovely moves on. Whew. Lovely. Every time I'm around the corner grabbing something lovely.
Yeah.
It's got some lovely holes in it. Liking that. Okay, bump a hand over the top and there's a nice little chucky hole on it, mate. Ooh.
think it gets the 2+ this because of the beginning on that ramp. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Otherwise it would be like grade 1, wouldn't it? Maybe, you know, that first rib as well, that's got a little bit going on in it.
Yeah. Some fantastic rock, mate, that's for sure. Fantastic holes as well. Look at that. Awesome.
Yeah.
Carry on then. Ooh. Ooh, the Bastow Buttress. Oi. Oh. Whew. Lovely. Awesome. And we just stopped out. Bastow Buttress. Phew, how awesome was that, guys? Bastow Buttress. I think probably the most difficult sections be the Crux at the start, the slab and the slight rip you have to traverse, but that probably be the reason it gets a grade 2+, but in general all nice solid grade 2 scrambling. So if you like this adventure, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel unless you've already done that. If you want to get more benefits out of the channel, click the join button, and if you want become a member. For now, thank you all for watching, and I hope to catch you on the next adventure. See you later, guys.
I feel like a lion, I'm so strong. Bring me the legacy, I'm so fun. I feel like an energy is going